Hello, my name is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax here in Stuart, Florida. Today I'm standing behind a new brokerage listing. This is a 2021 Scout 355 LXF. Truly a great model, great offshore cruising boat. Very Bahama capable, very fuel efficient, fast, well laid out whether you're fishing or cruising. We'll take you through a quick walkthrough and would love to speak with you and show you the boat in person and tell you all about it. So we have a white hull side in beautiful shape. This boat was just professionally detailed from the inside out. We have a port side dive door, stainless steel rub rail. Scout designs their boats with a double stepped hull. Creates exceptional performance, great speed, great fuel efficiency, all powered by the triple 300 Mercury V8s. We have under 50 engine hours here on this boat. This is a single owner boat, very, very lightly used. Cruising the intercoastal over the past few years. You'll see as we go through the video, everything is in exceptional shape. Lower units look perfect. Same goes for the engine cowlings. This boat has a custom cover package that you can take a look at in the photos. Underwater lights down below, trim tabs. This boat's well appointed. We have a Seakeeper, triple V8s, outriggers, FLIR camera, great electronics package, air conditioning, and much more that I'll tell you about as we go through. We have a nice boarding door here on the back, and then of course we have a port side dive door and the cockpit. As we walk in, we have a great fishing area. Lots of rod holders, space, fish boxes, live well here along the back. However, it quickly transforms to a great cruising boat. So we have a pull-out bench seat. Creates a nice arrangement here in the cockpit with the rear-facing mez seat. And then we do have an extended sunshade that pulls out from the top side of the hardtop to give your passengers back here some shade. Synthetic decking here along the back. We do have the reverso engine flush system installed as well. Single point hookup to flush your engines. There's your port side dive door. Nice boarding ladder, stowed, can be easily accessed. Great point of use storage right there. Well designed hardtop, full glass enclosure all the way around. Great line of sight as you look ahead. This is a center helm. We have the Mercury joystick piloting, digital throttle and shift. 3 Garmin touchscreen displays, Helm air conditioning, a couple vents here at the helm, Seakeeper display up top, Bocatech switching, in addition to digital C-zone switching. You have 3 helm seats here behind the glass, fold down bolsters, and armrests. Very high bow, creates a nice safe and dry ride. We have actually a custom cover package, so all of these coaming bolsters up and down the boat have covers. Leads you up to a great social zone. We have nice bow seating. All these cushions are removable. This table here is a power table up and down. You can bring it all the way up for a nice dining area, or you can stop it halfway. We actually have a filler cushion that will go on top, or you run it all the way down to the deck. We have a windlass anchor up in the bow with foot pedal controls, Gemlux screwless rod holders, a nice bow lounger, seating for 2, and then well appointed up on the hardtop, Garmin open array radar, FLIR camera, outriggers, and much more. Again, this is Brian McGlenn here with MarineMax in Stuart. This is a beautiful opportunity. Please feel free to give me a call directly at 561-635-6811. This boat's located on site at MarineMax in Stuart, Florida. Would love to show it to you. Thank you for watching.